Hey there Sanity Seekers, thank you for joining me. Today I'm making super easy candy canes and rolls of Christmas paper for my tiny little Christmas shop. I don't want to shock anyone too much, but I'm pretty sure I might be a genius because I thought of a really clever hack to making tiny packets of things. Not to say someone else hasn't already thought of this hack too. I don't know, it's probably out there somewhere. But I'm proud of myself for thinking of this idea, especially because it's so easy and so effective to do. Anyway, I bought a packet of stripy paper clips and cut them up into 3 sizes. I bent them where they needed to be bent with some round nose pliers. The medium ones will go into a glass jar for display to be sold separately, to eat. The little ones will go into the little packets. Okay, my time to shine, Tanya. I'm confident you'll like this idea. To make the packets, take a strip of clear sticky tape and lay it on the table, sticky side up. If you turn the end slightly at either end of the tape, it will stick to the table and make it easier for you to work with it. Estimate the distances in between your items, in which this case is the small candy canes, and place them on the sticky tape evenly, saving room for the labels. Take some suitable washi tape or paper or whatever you want to use for the labels and stick them on. I'm using washi tape. Then cover it all with another strip of sticky tape. Cut it up into little packets and look how awesome that is. Think of the possibilities. The big candy canes are for house and garden decorations, so I'm making a foam display stand for them. I'm simply cutting a piece of scrap foam and covering it with some glittery washi tape and poking the big candy canes into it. So it occurred to me that Christmas patterned paper straws look exactly like rolls of Christmas paper in the world of miniature. I cut a variety of designer straws to an appropriate length, decorated a drink lid to be the container to hold them in, and now we have separate rolls of Christmas paper to buy in my miniature Christmas shop. Now think back to my moment of genius earlier. We can easily make packs of 3 rolls of Christmas paper with a similar technique. Gather 3 different patterns of straws and wrap some paper or tape around the top and the bottom of them. Then take some clear sticky tape and wrap around the pack lengthways. Now we have a plastic covered pack of 3 rolls of Christmas paper. I'll just pop these in my miniature Christmas shop and hope to see you in my next video. Keep checking in to see the progress. Subscribing and hitting the notifications will make it easier for us to catch up. In the meantime, have an amazing rest of your day. Bye.